Hello, Hawks. Welcome back. Okay, so I've completed making and cutting out my cards, and now I'm going to make the key. This is kind of like the rules for the game. I'm going to write the word key above. Good. And now we're going to assign an exercise to each suit of cards. So remember the different suits were clubs. Who knows that shape? Hearts. Let's see if I can find one of my other ones. Now, I'm not such a great artist like Mrs. McKay, but those were my spades. And then the last one is the diamond. So I'm going to draw those on my key. So first I'll draw my clubs. Remember, it's the 3 black circles. The stick kind of looks like a clover. And I'm going to put an equal sign. All right? How about my spades now? So the spades, I drew them as kind of like an upside down heart. See that? And then I put a little stem on there. Now see what I did different is I did not color in the spade. Makes it a little bit easier for me to tell the difference between the two then, because they're kind of similar when we're drawing ourselves. And let's put an equal sign. Now I'm using different colors, but you can use just one color. So if you only have one colored pen or pencil or marker or crayon, that's fine. How about my hearts now? Right side up heart. And that's going to equal something. And my last one, who remembers? Where is it at? There we go, the diamond. So that's 4-sided sharp lines. So this is the part where you get to decide how your game works. We're going to have each suit symbolize or represent a different exercise. Okay? So think about some of the exercises you liked. Like maybe clubs. One of my favorite is lunges. Remember those big step and bend? I like those. So now spades, I need one. Let's see, what exercise do I want to be associated with spades? How about jumping? Now it looks like I've chose 2 lower body exercises for my clubs and spades. So maybe I'll choose an upper body for hearts, like about push-ups. Okay. And let's think of another good one for red upper body. How about our arm circles? So while I'm playing this game, I'm going to keep the key with me. So then when I pull a card, I'm going to know which exercise to do. And now to remember how we put numbers on each card, like 8 of clubs. So you're going to do number of repetitions, or how many times you do that exercise. All right, let me give you a quick example here. So if I mixed all my cards up, I'm going to put them all in a pile. And now I'm going to turn them face down. Remember I colored on the backs so that we can't see what card it is? That one. So I got them mixed up. Let's see, I'm going to take this card. I don't know what it is. King of diamonds. Well, how many repetitions or times do I do an exercise if it's a K? Good thing we've got this key, and we can write that answer down so we'll know. So if we have a king, that's going to be 12 reps or repetitions, or how many times you do the exercise. Now, the K wasn't the only letter we had. There was a Q, remember, for our queen. And that's going to be 11 reps, or number of times you do the exercise. And, of course, we can't forget our jacks. And those are going to be, jacks we're going to call a wild card, meaning you get to decide when it's your turn how many repetitions you're going to do for Jack, so you get to decide that one. Now you might have noticed on a real deck of cards, this. The A. We didn't talk about that one. Now we didn't have room on our key to make, or on our other cards to make the ones for A. So good thing we reserved a little section right here underneath. I'm going to make 4 little spots. I didn't use a ruler this time, that's okay. And there's going to be 4 aces, because there's 1 for each suit of cards that we have. I'm going to keep the colors, because I've already been using the different colors. Now we need to make a diamond. We need to make the heart. We need to make one for clubs. And our upside down heart for spades. Good. I'm going to turn this over. Scribble, scribble, scribble. Or quickly do some amazing artwork, so that way we don't know what card is revealed on the other side. We're going to cut this out. Now when you play cards, the A or the ace is most of the time considered the highest card that you can get. So for our exercises on our key, I'm going to add these to the pile. We're going to make the A's equal 13 reps or repetitions. That's a lot. So I'm going to do a quick example in the next video on how you can play this game either with yourself or with a partner and a member of your family. Okay, so I've got my key completed. I know what each one of the suits stands for. Now this is the part where you get to make it up. So whatever exercises you want to add to there, you can. And we'd have the number of repetitions written on the card if it's a number. If it's not a number, remember, if it's a jack, you decide the number of repetitions or times you do the exercise. If it's a queen, a Q, it's 11. A king is 12, and the ace is 13. So tune into the next video tile, and I'm going to show you how you can play this game with a friend. We'll see you there. Go Hawks!